This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacie Powell. Charming Cape Cod home is move-in ready. Features include updated kitchen, replacement windows, vinyl siding, brand new hot water heater, 3-bedroom, 2 full baths, 20 by 24 detached garage with separate 100 A&P service, pull-down staircase and floored attic, plus additional 10 by 12 storage shed, fenced backyard and deck, nicely landscaped yard located on quiet cul-de-sac with no through traffic. For more information, review the details below.